Wondering how to make such a colorful small diary? Come, let me show you. Take the colorful papers that you all want, A4 size sheet basically, and then fold it in the way that I am showing you. Let's complete the folding part quickly. Just follow the guide that I'm doing. In case if you all find the video fast, you all can turn on the slow mode on the options of the setting buttons. Once you have the paper folded in this way, all you have to do is cut it like this. So you basically have to cut it till the third rectangle here. On the opposite sides, the cut will be in the parallel direction, leaving the third rectangle, and the other side it will leave the middle two. So let's begin. So making a cut in this way, you can use scissors as well. I will cut two rectangles, and then remaining with me is the third rectangle. Let me cut that also off, and then I'll stop at the line. So that's it. I'll do the same cuts on the opposite side from first till the third rectangle. Cut it in this way. First rectangle is cut, the second one is through, and we are at the end of the third one. Now once we have the opposite two sides cut parallelly in this way, we will turn our paper and cut till the third rectangle. So fold that in between and cut it from the opposite direction. Once you are done cutting, this is how your paper must be looking. So that's it. And now we are ready to fold. The first fold that we make on the corners will be a mountain fold. To remember, it will go upwards like this, and then bend it down and flip it backwards. The same thing you will do on the other side, mountain, bend it down, flip it backwards, then bend it over, flip it backwards on both the sides, there, and then bend it again down, this, and you are remaining with the last bit, the joint section. So this joint section we will just bend our fold like this over it and fold it towards each other like this. See? And then finding the middle section, you will try to flip the book, the small tiny book, in this way. So you have a small diary, a small book in your hand with this color. So basically I prefer different colors. So here I have taken pink, green and yellow. Then I will hold it together, align it basically together, and with the help of a tape I'm going to secure the back portion of this tiny diary. I'll just place this on the middle portion of the tape, fold the tape towards the top end, the first flap of the book on the front side and the last flap of the book on the back side. You need not worry about this last bit that you all have of the diary, because this page will actually go into folding, into being glued to our outer cover. For the outer cover I'm going to take a red color A4 sheet. I'm just folding it into half like this, cut off the portion, and I will use one side of this cut portion. So basically I'll be folding it like this inwards. I'll make one fold from top and one fold from bottom. Measure the size of your diary if it fits in that cut portion, and as per that place your folds. You have to make this part a little thick because this will be the outer cover of the diary. Usually books also have the outer cover which are thicker compared to the pages that are thinner inside. Now I'm just measuring the side of the book. So basically I am going to make the inner side of the book. For that I need to place folds. So I will fold this paper leaving that much gap how much is required for the side size of the book. That's it. Make a fold. This is for the inner placement of the book. Turn the paper over. The same fold I will do. Measure the side of the book in this way and place a fold. Fold it in this way, like this. So this is the fold. It's not quite obvious. I'll show you like this. See, can you see this thing, how it has that shape? That is to hold the diary or the book, the page that you have made, the pages, sorry. And once you are done with that, it's time to fold our top outer cover inwards like this. That's why I told you the taped portion will not matter, because the outer cover will fold that portion. This will add to the thickness of the outer side of the diary. That's it. Fold it well, and this is how your diary looks. But we still have one more thing to do. This part we will just remove out, and just to ensure that the diary does not slip off easily, we'll place glue at these places. So basically a line of glue at the center portion like this. Place that. After that, take the flap of both the side and hold it tight. Once it is stuck, it's time to stick our outer cover. So place glue on this portion of your diary, the first page basically, the one which had the tape on the outer side, that page. And then just put the glue like this, and once you have glued that portion, all you have to do is turn the flap over to form an outer cover. So it is stuck nicely there. That's it. Done. The same you'll do on the back side. Making of this diary is very fun, like it's cute and kind of creative, and your kids will certainly love it. So that's it. Our diary is ready. As of now, it's very simple without any design made on it. I decided to just draw simple roses on the front portion, so something like this. If you all want, you all can draw smiley faces or unicorn or different things, whatever character you all like. And that's it. Our cute tiny diary is ready. Do let me know in the comments how did you like this video, and for more of such videos please subscribe to Tip Lab.